Welcome! Today we'll show you how to change your wireless voicemail password using the MyRogers app. Let's go! First, you'll want to make sure you have the app installed on your device if you haven't done so already. Sign in using your MyRogers username and password. Once you've signed in, choose your wireless number from the dropdown. Then tap the phone section in the middle. Select Update Voicemail Password at the bottom of the screen. Then enter your new voicemail password. It must be 4 or 5 digits in length. Once you've entered your new password, press Change Password. Your new password is now set. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know your voicemail password has been changed. Your password will be reset immediately, but don't worry, you won't lose any of your previous voicemails. That's it! Now you know how to reset your voicemail password.